Welcome to this guided meditation for gratitude to achieve personal and spiritual growth. Today, we will embark on a journey to cultivate a deep sense of thankfulness, focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, the people who enrich them, and how we can adopt behaviors that reflect our gratitude. This meditation will help you appreciate the abundance in your life, foster positive emotions, and develop an attitude of gratitude that will enhance your overall well-being. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a relaxed position, either on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your lap and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become calm and focused. Allow yourself to let go without judgment or resistance of any lingering thoughts or tension and open yourself up to the present moment. Take a moment to settle into your body and connect with your body. Continue your breathwork to completely relax, connect your mind and body. We will start with 3 stages of gratitude. Each stage will help deepen your appreciation and foster a stronger connection to the positive influences in your life. Stage 1. Feeling grateful for the good things in your life. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension. Now, bring to mind the good things in your life. It could be your health, your home, your job, or any personal achievements. Visualize each positive aspect vividly, and as you do, feel a warm, comforting sensation in your heart. Allow this feeling of gratitude to spread throughout your body, filling you with a sense of peace and contentment. Imagine you are walking through a beautiful garden. Each flower represents something you are grateful for. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty and fragrance of each flower. Notice how this garden grows richer and more vibrant as you acknowledge more aspects of your life that bring you joy and satisfaction. Stage 2. Expressing your gratitude to the people who have made your life better. Next, think of the people who have made a positive impact on your life. These could be family members, friends, mentors, or even strangers who have shown you kindness. Visualize their faces and recall specific instances where they have helped or supported you. As you visualize each person, silently thank them for their contribution to your life. Feel the gratitude expanding within you as you acknowledge the love, support, and kindness you have received. Imagine sending them a warm, glowing light, symbolizing your appreciation and gratitude for their presence in your life. Stage 3. Adopting new behaviors as a result of interacting with those who have helped you. Now, reflect on how these positive interactions have influenced your behaviors and attitudes. Think about the ways you have grown and improved because of the support and guidance you have received. Consider how you can incorporate these positive changes into your daily life to honor and reflect your gratitude. Perhaps you can adopt new habits such as expressing appreciation more often, being more patient, or offering help to others in need. Visualize yourself practicing these behaviors, bringing more gratitude and positivity into your life and the lives of those around you. By doing this, you not only honor the people who have helped you but also cultivate a more compassionate and connected community. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to sit in stillness, absorbing the feelings of gratitude that have arisen. Know that this sense of gratitude is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Take a moment to feel gratitude for yourself and for this opportunity to cultivate and nurture love. Gratitude from the heart and within you. Take a moment to reflect on all the things you are grateful for, big or small. Know that one of the powerful forces in universe is gratitude, as it emanates the energy of being happy, acceptance of your realities and ready to receive more growth. You are capable, that through love and gratitude you will grow and advance in life, heal, overcome obstacles, see life as a winner and achieve your goals. You will grow exponentially. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, return to your breath and affirmations to recenter yourself. Consider incorporating regular meditation practices into your daily routine to continue nurturing your love, kindness, gratitude, and the now presence. Carry this sense of appreciation and gratitude with you throughout your day. If you found this meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to continue building your life empowered with love, kindness, and gratitude. Remember that gratitude is a practice that can enrich your life and the lives of those around you. Together, let's spread loving kindness and gratitude and make the world a better place. This guided meditation is designed to help you cultivate gratitude for yourself and help others, ultimately leading to greater personal happiness and improved relationships. By practicing regularly, you can develop a more compassionate and open heart, enhancing your overall well-being. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for gratitude. If you found this guided meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to cultivate a positive mindset, enjoy life with all aspects, and be gratuitous for the positive outcomes. You can find more support in our channel for more guided meditations and relaxation techniques to support your well-being journey. Consider people who may benefit from this support. Thank you for joining us on this journey to emotional healing, personal and spiritual growth. May you continue to cultivate and nurture love, kindness, gratitude, and celebrate your life positively. You have the power to create the life you desire. Embrace it and live it fully. Join our community of like-minded individuals committed to personal growth and positivity.